Shankwaile Yundong, Chugentiao Sino Afro. Dajahao, MOSSCKY, Walaiza Sino Afro. Yes, once more today we are going to be doing another decomposition dance tutorial of a routine that we posted. Hope you guys are going to tag along. We love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe on that button down there so that you can follow us for more entertaining content. Yes, let's dive right into it. Okay, so the first move is as follows. I'm first going to go slow, then after I'll be adding in a little more speed, okay? So 3, 2, 1, let's go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So here you go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So here you go again 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So when you reach here, you go 1, 2, then you kick, boom, you jump. One more time, 1, 2, kick, and pop. So from here, you're going to shake your waist like this as you rotating your arms to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So this is just one time. Okay, one more time. From the beginning. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, boom, ba. 1, 2, boom, ba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here, you're just going to rotate your hands as you pull your leg inside. It's the chorus. Boom, ba. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. It's 4 times, then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So when you reach here, you just go back from the beginning. Okay? One more time. Let's go it again. This time adding a little more speed. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, ba ba ba. 1, 2, ba ba ba. 1, 2, 3. This time 2. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, ba ba ba. 1, 2, ba ba ba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so once again, one more time from the beginning. This time let's add in a little more speed. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So when you reach here, you go 1 and 2, pa pa pa. 1 and 2, pa pa pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, pa pa pa. 1 and 2, pa pa pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so when you reach here, you just go back from the beginning. Okay, from the beginning. So you go back from the beginning as you follow the routine, but this is the basic of the moves. Okay, hope you guys have enjoyed and learned. I remain yours, MOSSCKY. Don't forget to subscribe to the group Sino Afro on our page. We love you so much. Thank you for checking in. MOSSCKY Sino Afro. Peace.